Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can get DirecTV app on LG TV. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So now if you have been wondering whether you can do it or not, then unfortunately, you cannot directly install the DirecTV Stream app on your LG TV itself, as it's simply not available natively on LG Smart TVs. Instead, you will need to use a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast to run the application on your LG TV itself. So now the limitation are simply since it is not available in your native app, and again you will need an external help for you to get it. And if you're still willing to do that, then you have to simply choose one of the streaming device, like as I mentioned, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, and the Chromecast. Choose the one that you prefer, then simply connect the streaming device to an HDMI port on your LG TV, power on the streaming device, and follow on screen instruction to set it up. And that way you shall be able to enjoy it on your LG TV. So hope this was informative enough. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.